Hello and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels and Teachable. My name is Jed Albring and I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickFunnels and Teachable. It's quite simple. You will need to use a third party called Zapier, which is free, and it is super easy and a very popular tool. But I'm just using this as an example here. So this would be your opt-in page. So if you're collecting leads or maybe you have your funnel built and you want them to enter here, you always want to have at least an opt-in available. What you would do is then in Zapier, you would go to, and this is a free, you can get a free account. I believe you get a couple zaps with that, and then if you need more, you can upgrade. But for most purposes, you're only going to need one or two, and you can do that for free. And you would just click make a zap. Now you do have to integrate your Teachable with this, but it's simply just putting in your name and password. Takes 2 seconds. So the main thing here is we're collecting in ClickFunnels first and then sending them to our course in Teachable. So we want to start with a ClickFunnels zap, as they call it. So I want a new contact. I want to hit save and continue. I already have my ClickFunnels account integrated, obviously, and I want the funnel step. So whatever funnel step you're collecting the student's information is, I want the opt-in, and of course I want to use the funnel that I'm using, which is my test webinar funnel. Now in most cases, actually I should say all cases, you're going to want to have at least one user in there, one student. You can simply add yourself or add a test student, and then it'll pull in the sample for you. I'm going to skip that test. So here's contact A, continue with the default sample. So it walks you through it, guys. It's very easy. So now it's going to tell me I need an action step. So the action means people are landing here, right? This would be for my class. And then they're giving me their information, and then I'm adding a step. So my action is I now want them to go in to my Teachable class. So I want to enroll them in a course. I want to hit save and continue. I already have Teachable integrated with Zapier. Again, it's super easy, just name and password. And then I'm going to choose my course. So I should have a test course here. Where's my check Teachable, bring in new choices. Okay, so I would create, this is where I would select the course. Apparently I don't have a course selected yet. It's going to ask me for an email. I'm going to put in the email that I have, name optional. You probably are going to want name on yours. You'd have to add the name field. So you'd select your course, put in your existing email, your test email. Name, this is a good thing to use. So I want the name field, right? Password optional, that's up to you. Required, so value ID. So this is going to be custom value for course ID. That's because I created a custom account. This is not going to show for yours. Okay. And then that's it. And then I would add the step. So I'd skip the test. And then once I hit finish, I have the zap. So what I'm doing is I'm taking them from ClickFunnels into Zapier. So I want to make sure that I have this available. And I want to make sure that I'm choosing the funnel that I'm using, the opt-in page, the action, what I want them to do. I want to get their name and their email. And then once I get that, where am I sending them? I'm sending them, the action I'm taking is sending them to Teachable to enroll in the course. I want their name and their email, and that's it. And that'll send them to the course section, the course that you chose. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day. Oh, and if you're new to ClickFunnels, I will leave a link below for you guys to get a 14-day free trial. The best way to do it is to get started with a trial and play around with connecting the two. And run a couple tests first to make sure you got it correct. But you will get the hang of it. It's super easy. And then Zapier account is free. You can sign up for that, zapier.com.